This is UPR part number 2006-01, our coilover conversion kit for 79 to 04 Mustangs. This allows you to remove the stock location spring on the front of a 79 to 04 Mustang. You simply slide this sleeve over the factory strut, and you adjust this spring mounting nut here into the position that is best for your car and your preference on height. Then the kit includes an Allen wrench to tighten the set screws so that it doesn't move. Now you definitely want to make sure you use lots of anti-seize when you first install this. But anyway, use that set screw to tighten it up, slide the spring on. Then on top of the spring, you have the spring retainer with the included bearing, and then the bearing retainer, which goes on top of the spring. And then you can install this whole assembly into the vehicle with the Caster Camber plate on top of the strut mount. So this is part number 2006-01 coilover conversion kit, and you can pick this up at uprproducts.com or any UPR Products dealer.